Simple beauty tips for hands. Since our hands are used to execute the majority of the chores, they require the pampering and relaxing to appear nice smooth. Listed are 10 guaranteed methods for getting those beautiful searching hands. Eat well. Your food intake is essential. Proteins, vitamin B complex, E vitamin supplements should take part in your diet plan to get healthy, strong nails and to maintain your hands supple and soft. Massage. Massage both hands during the night not less than 5 minutes to allow the goodness from the moisturizer absorb. For very rough hands, combine your moisturizer along with some Vaseline so they are safe throughout the night. Safeguard both hands. When you're washing dishes, gardening or transporting out any chore that enables your hands to have interaction with chemicals, grease, or dirt, make sure that you are putting on rubber mitts to safeguard both hands. Wash both hands. Whenever you wash both hands, make sure that you wash both hands in warm water throughout the year. Hot water or freezing water has a tendency to damage your skin. Never use normal dish soap since it is harsh onto the skin and in addition it dries your skin easily.